In this video, I'm about to show you how to recover permanently deleted photos on an iPhone. If the photo were deleted within the last 30 days, they might still be in the recently deleted folder. Now open the photo app, go to albums, and tap recently deleted. If you find your photo there, tap recover to restore them. If you have an iCloud backup from before the photo were deleted, you can restore your iPhone from that backup. Next, go to Settings, select General, tap Reset, then erase all content and settings. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your iPhone and choose the iCloud backup to restore. Similarly, if you have an iTunes backup, you can restore your iPhone from that backup. Connect your iPhone to your computer, open iTunes, select your device and choose Restore Backup. After that, select the backup that contains your photo. If you don't have a backup, you can try using third-party recovery software like Asus MobiSaver or AppGeeker. This tool can scan your iPhone's memory to recover deleted photos. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.